Alright guys, we are here today at Sabine River Rats and I caught up with my buddy Jerel Pogue. Man, this guy, he's my favorite guy to see out here. I love everybody, but Jerel is super cool because he is always the underdog. Jerel comes out in his Sami and he can literally go through pretty much anything. So Jerel, thank you for coming this weekend, sir. We're glad to have you out here. But big question is, can he do it? Can he pull the pipeline? This is the guy that everybody comes up to me and says, is that the guy in the Sami that always pulls the pipeline every year? And so I have to say, yes, this is the man. This is Jerel. He's the guy that does it. And so this is a Sami. We're presently in the process of convincing Jerel that he's going to make it past in the pipeline. But tell me a little bit about the Sami. What you got going here? What year is it? What you got on the hood? Tires, whatever.
It's a little 86 Suzuki Samurai with a 1.6 16 valve turbocharged motor, stock training, aftermarket 4x4 transfer case, still Samurai parts. Okay. Toyota driveline, lockers front and rear, 45-inch tractor tires this year.
Okay, that's the difference. You went from the Boggers to the 45-inch tractor tires.
Yep.
Cool. And is this the first outing with them?
First trip.
Okay, so we're going to see how we are going to see how they do today.
We'll have to see.
So anyway, we're working on that. But anyway, so tell me, last year you had a little bit of a sketchy run. Do we remember what happened there? You got a little bit dicey?
Yeah, had a little extra power under the hood. First trip out with the turbo setup.
And the night hit the NOS. Yeah. And he just blew into the hole, and it kind of laid over a little bit. So
too much speed.
But it's all good. He learned a lesson there that we have strategy along with the momentum that equals distance.
Yeah.
So anyway, he's about to apply that formula here in just a minute and see if we can pull this pipeline. I'm confident it's going to happen. But Jerel, yeah, love seeing Jerel out here. Sami always does really well on the trails. This thing just bogs through. I mean, if you get stuck, you basically can either hit reverse and back out, or you can bob it and it'll pop through eventually. So super cool buoyancy this thing has. So anyway, we'll see how it goes this weekend. But I appreciate you coming out, Jerel.
Right.
And regardless of what your decision is here with this pipeline, we won't think any less of you.
Yeah.
You're still a badass in our book because you're the pipeline king. This guy's pulled it for years. So anyway, we're gonna say a little quick prayer for you. Hopefully we'll see this out here on the pipeline, dude. I appreciate it.
All right, man.
Thanks. Hey, that thing not locked up in the front?
Yeah.
Your tire's not spinning over there. You're three-wheel peeling. That's why you're pushing around like you are. Unlock?
Lock.
Okay. Better than an axle, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Who the hell did that? Because I locked it when I put it on the trailer yesterday.
I unlocked it when you told me you weren't going to hit the pipeline. Whoa, burn! Let's do this again in four-wheel drive.
Yeah. Got a Honda motor.
Try and push on him.
I'll be keeping these tires.
Hey, 44 going back on there?
Nope.
I just know.
Hey, you grab that other gear, then go to work.